Searching for the best laser level for tile work and everything looks the same. Same green lines, same 100-foot claims, same tripod photos. But here's what they don't show you, which ones actually stay accurate when you're laying rows of ceramic or porcelain, and which ones lose their level halfway through a job. Let's fix that. Product number 1, Mott over a 100 FT green crossline with tripod. This Mott over a model caught my eye because it comes with a full tripod setup right out of the box, something most budget lasers don't include. At $46, it's positioned as a serious tool for DIYers stepping up from basic levels. If you want a complete kit that's ready to go for indoor tile layout without buying extras, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 110 degrees green crossline covers large areas fast, perfect for aligning floor tiles across open spaces. Green lasers are 4x brighter than red ones, so even in a sunlit bathroom, you'll see the line clearly. The self-leveling works within 4 degrees, and if it goes out of range, the laser flashes, no guessing. Plus, the included 25.6-inch tripod extends low enough for baseboard work and high enough for ceiling lines, and the quick-release plate makes swapping angles effortless. With over 7,000 sold last month, it's clearly resonating with homeowners doing renovations. Now, some people complained about the initial calibration being finicky. You really have to let it settle on a flat surface before it auto-levels. Here's the thing though, that's normal for pendulum-based lasers. Just give it 10 seconds and it locks in fine. Also, the tripod legs can feel a little light on uneven floors, so avoid gravel or thick carpet. This is perfect for you if you're tiling a kitchen or bathroom and want one box with everything: laser, tripod, batteries, even a target plate. Skip this one if you need ultra-precise millimeter-level accuracy over long distances. For under $50, it's solid value. Product number 2, Mott over a 100 FT green rotary laser, no tripod. Alright, that was a solid option with the tripod. But if you already have a stand or prefer mounting to metal surfaces, this nearly identical Mott over model saves you $12 by skipping the tripod. Priced at $34, it's the same LLT2 laser core, same green beam, same plus or minus 3 mm accuracy at 10 m, same IP54 rating. If you want pro-level visibility without paying for gear you don't need, this is the smarter buy. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 360 degrees magnetic bracket lets you stick it directly to steel studs or a metal rail, super handy when setting tile on a framed wall. The fine-tuning knobs let you micro-adjust alignment after mounting, which is clutch when matching existing tile patterns. And with dual modes, you can switch from auto-leveling for perfect horizontals to manual mode for sloped shower floors. Over 1,000 sold last month shows it's popular with contractors who already own tripods. Now, some buyers were frustrated that it doesn't come with a tripod, which is fair if you assumed it did. Here's the thing though. If you're mounting to walls or using a separate stand, you're actually getting a cleaner, more stable setup. Just know what you're buying. This is perfect for you if you're experienced with laser setups and want to save money by reusing your own mount. Skip this one if you're a beginner who needs an all-in-one solution. At $34, it's excellent value for the right user. Product number 3, Rockseed 360 degrees green crossline laser. Now, if the Mott over plastic build bothered you, this Rockseed model uses a metal housing, a rare find under $35. At $30.88, it's the cheapest here, but don't let that fool you. It's built like a tank and ideal for tight spaces where bigger lasers won't fit. If you want durability and compactness for small bathroom or backsplash jobs, this punches above its weight. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The metal casing gives it real shock resistance. Drop it once, we've all done it, and it'll likely survive. The 110 degrees cross line hits plus or minus 1/8-inch accuracy at 30 feet, which is more than enough for most tile work. And while it doesn't include a magnetic bracket, it has a 1/4 thread for tripods and claims compatibility with aftermarket magnetic mounts. Now, some users noted the lack of a built-in magnetic mount. You'll need to buy one separately if you want to stick it to metal. Here's the thing though, that keeps the price down, and a basic magnetic bracket costs under $10. Also, the manual mode requires you to physically lock the pendulum, no electronic override, so it's less flexible on slopes. This is perfect for you if you're doing occasional tile repairs or small DIY projects and want something tough and affordable. Skip this one if you need rotary 360 degrees coverage or remote control. For $31, it's a no-brainer backup laser. Product number 4, SOXO 360 degrees 4D laser level with remote. Alright, that was budget-friendly. But the next one on my list might actually be better for full room tile jobs, the SOXO 360 degrees laser. At $81, it jumps into mid-tier territory, but you're getting full 360 degrees coverage on both horizontal and vertical planes, plus a remote control. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4D projection means you get ceiling, floor, and wall lines all at once, perfect for aligning tile layouts in open concept spaces. The remote lets you turn lines on/off from across the room so you're not constantly bending over. Accuracy is plus or minus 0, 5 mm at 8 meters, which is noticeably tighter than the budget models. And with two 2400 mAh batteries, runtime lasts through a full day of work. Over 500 sold last month shows pros are noticing. Now, some reviewers said the setup is overwhelming at first, too many knobs and adapters. Here's the thing though, once you pair it with the included pan-tilt tripod and fine-tuning base, it's rock solid. Just watch a 5-minute setup video first. This is perfect for you if you're doing whole house renovations or commercial-style tile work. Skip this one if you only tile once in a while, it's overkill for a single shower wall. At $81, it's fair for the features. Product number 5, WIDDW16 line 4D laser with tripod and remote. Now, if SOXO's remote impressed you but you want even more coverage, this WIDDW model goes all out. At $128, it's the most expensive here, but it throws 16 lines, full 360 degrees horizontal, vertical, and cross lines in every direction. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can project reference lines on the floor, walls, and ceiling simultaneously, no repositioning. The remote control adjusts lines without touching the unit, reducing contamination from dust or moisture. It includes a sturdy tripod, 2 rechargeable batteries, and even a lifting platform for low wall work. The green laser stays visible in bright conditions, and the metal-plastic hybrid build feels premium. Now, some users complained about the weight, nearly 9 pounds, which makes it less portable. Here's the thing though, that heft comes from durable materials and a stable base. This isn't meant for quick fixes, it's for precision work. This is perfect for you if you're installing large format tiles, herringbone patterns, or commercial flooring. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only do weekend projects. At $128, it's an investment, but for pros, it pays for itself in time saved. So which laser level is best for tile? If you're on a budget, the Rockseed or Motovera without tripod get the job done. Need a full kit? Go Motovera with tripod. For whole room layouts, the SOXO 360 degrees is a sweet spot. And if you're doing pro-level work, the WIDDW16 line model is worth the splurge. Pick based on your project size, not the flashiest specs.